So I'd like to introduce some proprioception exercises. I first got the idea to incorporate proprioception exercises into daily practice from the Belgian trombonist Phil Abram. And he has an exercise on his online lesson warm-up that has you do body motion with the trombone. And I thought, oh my goodness, this is exercising proprioception. So his exercise was a very basic exercise where he'd hold a long tone and come down and then come back up like this and doing a series of these exercises. And this, I noticed, was really good for breath constriction, for exercising the lungs and stretching out the back muscles. So for example, he recommended doing and I began to think, well, this is reminiscent of the proprioception exercises that are taught even in Tai Chi. And proprioception is basically awareness of where the body is. So the idea of closing your eyes and knowing that your arm is raised. So what we will do in incorporating this is to do a series of body movements with the instrument. So in addition to the one that Phil Abram introduces, I'm going to say you can do left to right, so horizontal plane. So there's a horizontal plane. And if you notice with your arm, if you go out the 7th position, when you're on this plane, the arm in this direction actually can extend much further. So this is very interesting to experiment with different positions. Also, noticing that the trombone, actually, if the slide were in the correct alignment with the body, it would go out to an angle like this. When we do this, it's actually a constriction in the shoulder and the arms. So doing this, if you just do this exercise, there was actually a trombone invented where the slide went out at that angle. That was ergonomic with the arm. But we can mimic that by just going to the side a little bit. And it gives us a different experience of the instrument. We can go to this side and do the same thing and see how it feels in the body. So we have vertical exercise we can do. We have horizontal exercise we can do, proprioceptive exercise. I would also say go in an X like that. You can do these either playing or not playing. Up and like this. And you can also do a figure 8. You can do circular. And this really brings the awareness, how the physical body positioning. So these are some proprioceptive exercises for trombone playing.